Buying a lot of guns all in the name of protecting your home from attack is a waste of precious cash that doesn't come easy nowadays, except of course if you're related to Elon Musk. Although it's not your fault, because if you buy a gun and it doesn't just solve the problem and you can't leave your home defenseless, you've got no choice but to buy another one. That's where tactical handguns come in. They have advanced sighting systems for superb accuracy, and they're just about compatible with any type of ammunition. Some manufacturers take advantage of this and market their basic guns as being tactical, all for sale. We don't want you to be caught in the web of all of those money-sapping marketers, so we've created a list of the top 5 truly tactical handguns for home defense in 2024. If you're new here, welcome to Guns and Roses, where we share the rarest and most interesting information on firearms. So subscribe to this channel and do hit that bell icon to stay updated on all of our latest videos. Now let's rock and roll! If there was one handgun I would choose to protect my home, then the Walther PDP will certainly be a top choice for me. At first glance, the PDP's full size gives out the sleek and aggressive design of a modern-day pistol. The gun has an aesthetically pleasing look and an ergonomic grip that conforms to the hand right out of the box, giving you a comfortable hold for extended usage. If you're worried about not being able to grip the PDP well, then you don't need to, because it's available in multiple grip sizes and can accommodate a wide range of hand shapes and sizes, making sure you find the one that fits you perfectly. When it comes to performance, the PDP doesn't disappoint. It offers a well-balanced recoil management system that gives you very quick follow-up shots. We're talking about the full-size model here, so we're talking about 18 rounds of firepower, all for $800. Nothing about this bad boy is average. Everyone knows a Taurus-made gun. If you don't, then you must have started using guns yesterday. The Taurus G3 Tactical is symbolic of Taurus's obsession with quality firearms. It's a striker-fired 9mm pistol that was designed to meet the needs of tactical shooters and even everyday firearm usage, including home defense. The name Tactical already suggests what this bad boy is all about. It's not the usual marketing stunt that manufacturers pull off. This is the real deal. The G3 Tactical is built on an impressive polymer frame, which adds to it being lightweight and durable. Go to Taurus's official website and you can find this pistol there with a price tag of $590 to match all the incredible features. Let's not forget that one of the best features of this gun is its famous Taurus Optics Ready option, which is well known to allow its users to attach red dot sights. In a home defense situation where accuracy is a priority, then this is surely one of the best options out there. Even among the Kimber family, the Kimber Tactical Pro 2 stands out. This is another gun on our list with the tag Tactical attached to the name, not as a marketing strategy, but to suggest what it was made for. If you have an intruder who's armed entering your home and you find yourself in a tactical position, having one of these is certainly a plus. This handgun stands out as a well-crafted firearm that follows the design of traditional 1911s but embodies more modern tactical features. For a handgun that's lightweight, accurate, and reliable, a price tag of $800 isn't so expensive, because you'll be getting a single-action pistol that has a 4-inch barrel and is chambered in 45 ACP or 9mm. The pistol also includes tritium night sights that give you a clean aim even in low-light situations, a crucial aspect for tactical use. In terms of recoil management, the Tactical Pro 2 performs admirably. The weight distribution and design help mitigate recoil, allowing for better control during rapid fire. Introducing one of the Heckler & Koch's best guns, HK VP9 Tactical OR. This is a standout model in Heckler & Koch's VP series. It was designed for those with modern shooting needs, including optics and suppressor compatibility. This model combines the well-known reliability of the VP9 model and a 4.7-inch threaded barrel, which is designed to reduce noise and recoil. The threaded muzzle is compatible with standard suppressor mounts, enhancing its tactical capabilities. When it comes to performance, the recoil management system is effective, allowing you quick follow-up shots without sacrificing control. With all the juicy features, taking this pistol off the market will cost you $700. The VP9 Tactical OR also incorporates a lightweight polymer frame that contributes to its overall balance and handling. The controls, including the ambidextrous magazine release and slide stop, are intuitively placed, making the pistol user-friendly for both right and left-handed shooters. And now for our number 1 entry, we have the FNX 45 Tactical. This is a handgun designed by FN Herstal as a 45 ACP pistol that features a polymer frame and a stainless steel slide, giving it that robust yet lightweight construction. If you're not the type that likes your guns making all those annoying loud sounds, then you'll certainly like the FNX 45 Tactical because it has a threaded barrel that allows you to attach a suppressor and enhances its tactical capabilities. It also has a double action or a single action trigger system, so anyhow you choose to engage your firearm, it will respond. Its trigger pull is also very smooth and comfortable, and it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed because this pistol caters to both. You can get this pistol off the market for $1,000 or $1,099 depending on your location. Those are truly some of the best handguns that we've mentioned, and we'd love to end our list right here, but it seems like Christmas came early and Santa has a present for you. So without much talk, let's talk about the bonus handgun on our list, the CZP-10F OR. Introducing another OR pistol. I'm sure you know what OR means, right? OR means optics ready, and the CZP-10F OR comes equipped with an optic plate system allowing users to easily mount red dot sights for improved accuracy and target acquisition. Talk about power, am I right? This pistol's capacity is out of this world. This model boasts a 19+1 capacity, 21+1 with extended bases, which is one of the best pistols I have seen based on capacity. If you're looking for a powerful yet tactical gun for home defense, I don't need to tell you that you found your guy, and with the comfort the grip offers with a trigger that has an easygoing feel, it's certainly worth its price tag. Speaking of price, this handgun costs just $449, and a little birdie even told me that you can get it cheaper depending on the retailer and location. These are such great handguns that we put out in this video. You should certainly get one for your home defense because your safety is a priority. If you know a friend who's having trouble choosing a handgun for home defense, I suggest you share this video with them. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I honestly don't know what you're waiting for. We'll be glad to have you as part of our community. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you later.